Hello mga kapatid, kamusta kayong lahat dito? Ako po ay medyo na bad trip ng konti kasi I already did the video but then at the end of the day or at the end of the reading, walang volume. Hindi ko pala na-on yung microphone. Feeling confident ko pa naman kanina habang nag-reading. And then it's a good thing na pinapanood ko muna bago ko ibinalik yung mga tarot cards. But then again, yeah, disappointed lang lola ninyo. Disappointed ng kapatid ninyo kasi walang volume. Hindi ko pala na-on yung microphone. So, starting over ko na lang yung reading. So, yeah. So, ang reading natin ngayon is, ano ba ang mensahe ni universe para sa'yo? Ano ang dapat mong malaman? And, kamusta kayong lahat mga kapatid? Sana kayong lahat ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. Na-miss ko po kayong lahat. Ako po ay kababalik lang namin ng pamilya ko dito sa bahay namin recently, 2 days ago. And yes, I need to relax. I need some time para makapag-relax ng konti. And yeah, pumunta kasi kami or nag-road trip kasi kami ng pamilya, ng magpamilya. And we did had a great time. So again, I'm getting that you guys should do some vacation before mag-start yung school. Lalong-lalo na kung kayo may mga anak or kayo ay nag-aaral pa. So enjoy time before the start of your school, okay, or before the beginning of school. So yeah, it's better to spend time with the family, with your children. Take them somewhere na away from the environment that you are in right now, na malayo kayo, or magpakalayo-layo na muna kayo sa mga crowded, no? So maybe getting that, maybe you guys need this vacation, okay, or going to a forest or nature walk, nature walk or mount climbing, something like that, or biking, siguro, maybe you should do some biking with your children or bike around the town or nature, something to do with the nature. Kasi mas maganda pagka the more na naging konektado ka sa from this like nature or mother nature, okay? And that way, kasi pagka naging konektado ka or napupunta ka sa mga nature, mas nagiging lumalawak ang isipan natin. Now, detachment, nagkakaroon tayo ng detachment sa mga problema. And which is good. Mas advice kasi talaga dito na spend more time through nature. Okay, like or going to the beach or mag bonfire, kahit lang sa backyard ninyo kung mga puno kayo sa labas. Okay, it's best na maging konektado kayo sa nature. Kasi the more na naging konektado ka sa nature, nakakaroon ka ng mga idea, peace of mind. Yeah. And yeah, so I do advise you guys na if you are feeling tired, feeling like suffocated na, hindi mo na kaya, it's time to detach. Okay, detachment. Magkakaroon ng detachment muna sa kung saan ka man ngayon. Okay? So, lumabas ka muna ng bahay or spend time. You can spend time with your friends, family members, enjoy muna, nakikiparty muna saglit. Huwag naman lagi-laging party. You just need some time na magkaroon ng happy moments, na nagkaroon ng detachment or disconnection sa mga problema, no? Sa mga pagod, sa mga trabaho, kaliwat ka ng trabaho. Yeah. So, I do advise you guys to do some detachment from your environment right now. Yeah. Okay, if you wanna go, like, take a walk on the backyard, or kahit lang sa likod na ng bahay, like, stargazing, something like that. Mas nakakaroon kasi ng peace of mind, ano, pagka nakakalabas din ng bahay or pumunta ng bukid, o mga bukid nun, or magtatanim ng bulaklak, something like that. Kailangan talaga ng detachment at this moment. That's what I'm getting right now. And that's the reason also na pumunta muna kami sa road trip, no, na mga 1 week. Medyo matagal-tagal din, pero it's worth it naman kasi malapit ng pasukan. So yeah, so we have here something bigger is on the way. So you guys need to know this. Ito ay tinatanong ko kay universe, ano ang dapat mong malaman? Anong dapat malaman ng aking mga kapatid na star viewers dito? The answer here is something bigger is on the way. So may darating, or may malaking darating para sa'yo. It could be for sure, it's a good news. Kasi dito, the sun is rising. Yeah. So the sun is rising, so this is the moment for you na ang iyong happiness, itong mga binivision mo, itong mga pinapangarap mo ay darating. It's rising up. Ito ay, this could be you. Ang most of getting like, you will be glowing up. Yung iba dito sa inyo. Your looks, meron itong mag-glow yung looks mo, and your health, you will be more like, I'm getting the energy na mas nagiging energetic ka. Magkakaroon ka pa ng energy or magiging energetic ka very soon. Siguro lately, napakamatamlay mo or more on tiredness, parang pagod ka palagi, but soon, you will be more alive because you will be receiving a message, a positive message, good news from the universe. Yeah. Okay? Allow your vision to expand and to be open to the form of it takes. You may discover that you were dreaming too small or that what seemed like an obstacle is actually pointing you in a better direction. The universe always has your back. So again, as a reminder guys, kahit na marami kayong mga obstacles, mga problema, sometimes it's a better way. Ito ay pointing you, ito ay gumagabay sa iyo sa tamang daan. Sometimes, minsan kasi sa ating mga direksyon, sa ating mga pangyayari sa ating buhay, nasaktan man tayo, sabihin natin when it comes to our love story or love life natin, nakakaroon tayo ng question, na bakit hindi naging kami, bakit sinasaktan niya ako. It takes time for you na makapag-move on ka. Kaya minsan lately, nagiging matamlay ka or wala ka sa mood, nasasaktan ka pa rin, hindi ka pa nakapag-move on. But again, it's the way from the universe na to straighten up. Okay? Para maituwid itong mga pagkakamali. Para maituwid itong mga even if nasaktan ka, no? It's giving you a direction na into the right path, sa tamang daan. So you just have to understand the process from the universe, your path, itong tamang daan para sa iyo. Yeah. Sometimes, hindi ito, kasi lahat ng mga pangyayari sa ating buhay, hindi perpekto. Lahat tayo ay nagkakaroon ng mga trials, mga problema, mga struggle. And also, it's a way for us na may dapat tayong matutunan dito sa mga pangyayaring ito. And for that, you should learn your lesson from this struggles, itong mga obstacles na ito. And you will understand why this thing happened. Kung bakit ito nangyayari. Kung bakit hindi kayo naging kayo ng person mo. Kung bakit nawala or hindi mo na-achieve yung mga pinapangarap mo. It's because the universe have a better plan for you. May mga mas magandang pang plano sa universe para sa iyo. Okay? So guys, very soon, there will be like a huge event, pangyayari na darating para sa iyo. So this is the right time para mag-manifest. Kailangan i-vision mo, isalarawan mo sa iyong isipan, connect with your energy, or bigyang energy itong mga pinapangarap mo, itong mga binivision mo. Kailangan talaga may action, hindi lang hanggang pangarap lang. Kung gusto mo ito mangyayari, kapatid, make some action. So that way, and the universe will be right on your back to guide you. Para matulungan ka niya, to give you assistance. And this is what you are waiting for. Meron itong, I am waiting for this. I am waiting for this video. So again, this is timeless mga kapatid. Whenever you watch this video, mayroong mensahe para sa iyo ng universe. Ito ay para sa iyo. This is general reading, hindi po ito private reading, collective reading po ito. Kunin nyo lang po kung saan kayo nakaka-resonate. Kung hindi man, wag nang tayong bitter. Okay? So, guys, again, this is the right time for you to i-vision mo. Isalarawan mo kung ano yung gusto mo mangyari. Kung sabihin natin, gusto ko magbabayad si ganito ganyan, then think about it. Think it like, pag-isipan mo in a positive way. Na soon, magbabayad na si ganito ganyan. Soon, makakaroon ako ng panibagong trabaho. Soon, magkakaroon ako or mananalo ako ng lottery. Kailangan talaga na magkakaroon ng livelihood energy, ano, hindi lang yung, kasi minsan, pagka nag-vision tayo, parang binablock natin. Gusto ko magiging multimillionaire. Ay, hindi ito mangyayari kasi, imposible. Guys, walang imposible sa posible. As a reminder. Okay? Libre ang mangarap. Whatever it is, kung gusto mo maging presidente, it might can happen for you. You might be deserved. It might be dream come true. So again, libre ang mangarap. As long as wala kang inapakang kapwa, then libre ang mangarap. You deserve this. And again, always believe in yourself. Manalangin palagi and believe in your spirit team, spirit animals, spirit guides, your ancestors, and the universe. Okay? So alamin natin kung ano ang darating o malaking darating para sa iyo. Okay? So, kanina na-shuffle ko na, di ba? So, meron tayo ditong the Hierophant and the Emperor. Okay? So, meron dito mag-expand. Meron sa inyo ditong mag-i-expand ang inyong spirituality level. Okay? Because you deserve this. Okay? Marami ka nang tinutulungang kapwa. You are so caring. Yeah. Marami ka nang, you are a good provider, marami kang tinutulungan, pamilya, kaibigan, katrabaho. And a lot of people are so proud of you. And meron ditong, a lot of people will be watching you. Marami ka ring stalkers, marami ka ring followers. And maybe you will be getting an offer from someone else. Yeah, or an offer, a company offer. Meron ditong mag-o-offer sa iyo, kapatid. This is related to like a business related or a work related. Okay? So a lot of people are cheering you up. Maraming matutuwa sa iyo. A lot of people, mas marami pang manunood ng video mo. Siguro ikaw ito ay magaling sa or anong tawag doon? Yung sa social media, napopost ka ng mga video like sa YouTube, or you could be a YouTuber. You know what I mean? Marami pa ang magsasubscribe sa iyo. Marami ka pang mga followers. A lot of followers believe in you. Especially when it comes to spirituality. Kasi nakikita nila na tumutulong ka rin. And you are, siguro whatever you are posting, mga kapatid, marami silang natutunan sa iyo. And for that, they are so proud of you. Okay? Sa iba naman na hindi pa, or siguro, humihingi ng idea kung gusto mong mag-YouTube or magbuo ng YouTube videos, maybe this is the right time for you na to make or create this a YouTube video or channel na is a hint or tulong, gabay na maybe you should make a video na makakatulong sa kapwa, na makakaroon sila ng idea, na makakaroon sila ng ang tawag doon, knowledge. Okay? Na yung video mo is very helpful to everyone or to the world. Yeah, this is also a hint or a guidance for you na kung gusto mo mag-success ang iyong video, or if you are a YouTuber, then you should create a video that will also help the others, that will also give the others knowledge, na makakatulong din sa kanila, na makakaroon din sila ng knowledge, gabay, okay? Yeah, or an idea. And for that, magbo-boom ang iyong YouTube channel. Okay? And yung iba naman sa dito, if you're waiting for a work, something about like offer, kung ikaw ito ay naghihintay ng trabaho or new contract, there's like, meron ditong magkakaroon ng, sabihin natin na congratulations. Someone is going to congratulate you na you deserve this. You got this job. Meron ditong magkakaroon ng higher position. Siguro maging presidente. Okay? President of the company, president of the business. You could be a real president and a government, no? Kung ikaw itong minamanifest mo maging presidente, maybe you are, it could happen to you. Ito ay mangyari sa iyo kung if you really believe in yourself. You really have to believe in yourself. Kung gusto mo mangyari itong minamanifest mo, itong mga binivision mo, kapatid, it will happen to you. You have to believe in yourself. Kasi meron dito na napaka-psychic, napaka-intuitive. And you have to be careful on what you are wishing for. Okay? What I mean is, please don't wish to someone na in a negative way kasi ang balik din sa'yo, ganun din. Negative energy. Okay? So, para maganda ang balik sa'yo, kapatid, you have to wish to others in a positive way. Matuwa ka sa kapwa mo kung ano na-achieve nila. And for that, you'll be achieving a good thing. Yun din ang balik sa'yo. You know? So again, kaliwat ka ng opportunity ang darating sa iyo. Meron tong yin and yang. Maybe you'll be meeting your, I'm gonna like you'll be meeting someone. When I said yin and yang, your soulmate through work related or company. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo dito. Yeah. And I'm also getting like, someone is going to build a new home or a wish come true na mabibuild itong pinapangarap mong bahay. You'll be getting a new or you will be building your dream home soon. It will happening. Yung iba sa inyo kasi dito, it might be a plan. Maybe you are waiting for na mangyari ito, but soon it's gonna happen. Kung ito ay minamanifest mo. Especially kung binivision mo na kung ano yung exterior design, interior design, then might as well na planuhin mo mabuti before you create this or build this home. Okay? So, kailangan talaga mag-start ka na from now on, whenever you watch this video, from now on, i-vision mo anong itsura ng dream home mo, anong itsura ng pinapangarap mo. Yung bahay, ala castle, or simpleng bahay lang ba? Okay? Kasi the more na binivision mo ito, pinapangarap mo to, or sinusulat mo ito, dinodrawing mo ba to, the more na minamanifest mo siya. It comes to like, in a life, true life, nagkakaroon siya ng pangyayari na it will happen. Kasi minamanifest mo siya. It comes to life. Yung minamanifest mo. Itong binivision mo. Okay? And meron naman dito sa inyo, a lot of people will be like, congratulating, again, sabi ko na, diba, maraming magkukongratulate sa iyo. Because you achieve this, you will be achieving this higher level. Yes, sa trabaho, higher rank. Or there will be like a new transformation sa trabaho mo. Yeah. A lot of people will be so proud of you. At meron naman sa inyo dito, in the nearest future, if you are a real estate agent, or something about like related sa bahay o property, kaliwat kanan ng offer sa iyo, kapatid. Kailangan i-manifest mo lang. Kung gusto mo magbenta ng mga property, kailangan ipurso mo ito. Kailangan i-vision mo na itong mga buyers ko, bibilhin nila ito. And soon, it's gonna happen. You just have to believe in yourself. You just have to like focus and the vision na bibilhin ito ng mga buyers mo na magkakaroon ka ng maraming benta. So, because soon, kaliwat kanan ang benta mo, kapatid. Especially when it comes to business. Meron itong business na kaliwat kanan offer para sa'yo. Yeah. And your business will be booming. Meron itong may business na magbo-boom. Okay? At yung iba naman sa inyo dito, when it comes to your spirituality, you are getting into like a higher level through your spirituality level. Your guardian angels is guiding you na magle-level up ang iyong spiritual level. Because you believe in yourself, you believe in God, you believe in the universe, marami kang natulungan, you did a lot of good deeds, marami kang ginagawang magandang bagay, tumutulong sa kapwa, you care so much for the world. And for that, you are leveling up. Yeah, nagle-level up ang iyong spiritual level. Especially, you are, maraming mga tao ang, they are believing in you. Because you are a good advisor. Magaling kang mag-advise sa mga kapwa mo. And for that, marami silang natutunan. And they believe in you. Mga kapatid. Yeah. The more na marami silang natutunan sa iyo, the more na nagiging nagle-level up din ang iyong spiritual level. Marami kang natutulungan, especially when it comes to your psychic level. Gamitin mo ang iyong psychic power in a better way na tumulong ka sa kapwa. Avoid doing bad things, evil things. Okay? If you are a healer, tulungan mo yung mga kapwa natin na mapagaling sila. And for that, your spirituality is leveling up. Okay? Meron ditong siguro, you are so close. Okay? Malapit ka sa Panginoon. Lagi ka nagsisimba. Yeah. It's like your spirituality level is nagle-level talaga. Guys, I do believe that when it comes to a spirituality, merong level. It's by level. Depende ito sa ginagawa natin. Depende ito sa what we are doing to others, to ourselves. Kasi the more na tinutulungan natin mga kapwa natin, kaibigan, pamilya, nasabi ko na, mga anak, katrabaho, the more you care for the others, the more na natutulungan mo sila, you care for the world, for a better life, the more na nag-a-ascend yung spiritual level mo. Yeah. Meron kasi hagdanan yan eh. Okay? Galing baba, paakyat ng pakakyat. And for that, you deserve this. Okay? Yeah. And maybe this is also your mission. Okay? Na tumulong. Lahat naman tayo, we deserve to help the others. And we deserve to receive the help from the universe. Because we care. Not for ourselves, we also care for the world. Okay? Stop being selfish. And stop this distraction. Itong pagiging greedy. Yeah. Kasi itong mga material things, guys, these material things, these are just part of distractions. Because in the reality, sa mata ng Panginoon, it's all about spirituality. Kung anong ginagawa natin dito. Dapat talaga tumutulong tayo. Tulungan natin. Okay? We're like an angel in disguise from the universe. Na mag-level up ang mundong ito. Share your blessings. Share your knowledge. Tulungan yung mga tao na nangangailangan ng tulong. Intindihin ang mga tao sa paligid. Okay? I know sometimes it's tough, but then again, always pray. When it comes to your obstacles, if you are in yung mga obstacles, mga problema natin, lahat naman tayo ay nagkakaroon ng problema, manalangin, magsimba, continue believing in the universe because andyan lang sila. Tutulungan kanila, gagabayan kanila. And pay attention sa panaginip din, guys, kasi kanina nakuha ko yung isang barahan na nakalimutan ko yung 9 of Swords yata yun, something na dreams. Okay? So, again, guys, stop thinking negativity or mga nakakatakot kung ayaw mo magkaroon ng bad dreams. Okay? So, before you go to bed, think about positivity. Yung mga nakakatuwa. So that way, when you go to bed, when you go to sleep, okay, you will have these good dreams. Yeah. Okay? Kasi naapektuhan yung panaginip mo, itong tulog mo, kasi siguro lately nagkakaroon ka ng mga anxiety, takot, fear. So avoid thinking about that before you go into bed kasi naapektuhan ang tulog mo. Kaya siguro minsan pagkagising mo, pagod ka pa rin. Masama ang pakiramdam mo. Yeah. So always think about positivity before you go into bed. Mag-isip ng mga positibong bagay na nakakatuwa sa iyo o nakakatuwang isipin. And then that way, when you wake up, you will be like alive. Okay, more energetic. Okay? So again, there will be like an instant help from the universe very soon for you. At alamin natin kung kailan mangyari. At hingin din tayo ng mensahe para galing kang universe or angel numbers. And for that, research nyo lang sa Google. I-Google nyo na lang yung angel number na makukuha natin mamaya. Okay? So, kailan ba? Okay, you know what? Before that, kuha muna tayo ng mensahe from the spirit animals. So we have here, hummingbirds, miracles. You are the joy bringer. You bless the world with positivity and love. Energy soars on your shining wings. Spread the miracles of happiness. Okay? Yeah, so again, di ba sinabi ko na kanina, kung ano yung mga positibong bagay na dumarating sa iyo o natanggap mo from the universe, let's say, spread, okay, or share your blessings. Hindi naman lahat, at least, na-share mo sa kanila kung anong natanggap mo na magandang bagay. Okay? It's not just like mga good things, but also, if you have any problems, okay, share your worries towards the people you care. Okay? Sa pamilya, best friends, yeah, para naman maibsan itong mga problema mo. Yeah. And not just problems, also, happiness. Kung ano yung mga magandang bagay na dumating or natanggap mo, share those happiness to others. Yeah. Tumulong ka, feel free to help the others. And that's the reason kaya nakatanggap ka ng, it's like a reward from the universe. And for that, there will be like a miracle for you. Okay? Meron itong makakatanggap ng 3 miracle, 2 miracles from the universe. Yeah. Okay? So, I'm also getting like, you will be like getting like a good news, a message. And this video might giving you or might make you like to cheer you up. Kasi meron doon, nakukuha ko ng energy na after watching this reading or while watching this reading, from being tired, pagod, kalungkutan, parang nagkakaroon ng shifting sa iyong appearance or sa iyong energy na natutuwa ka while watching this video because of this miracle na mangyari sa iyo. And for that, maraming salamat guys for keep tuning in to any of my tarot reading videos. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, please do subscribe mga kapatid. As mga subscriber dyan, maraming salamat guys sa pagtutok dito sa aking The Star Talking Tarot and for subscribing to my channel. Maraming salamat po. And again, miracles is about to receive. Okay? So believe in God, believe in yourself, and always i-vision nyo guys with action. Itong mga pinapanalangin ninyo, itong mga pinapangarap ninyo, na, or walang dito unlimited itong pangarap. As a reminder, libre ang mangarap, mga kapatid. Kahit na maging gusto mo maging billionaire, multi-millionaire, manalo ng loto, or magiging pinakamaganda, whatever it is, libre ang mangharap. Okay? As long as wala kang nasaktang kapwa, yun lang. So, this gonna happen, itong miracle na ito ay darating within 3 days. 1 day from now. Number 5, this could be in 5 o'clock, 5 days, 5 weeks, or 5 months. Okay? Itong miracle na ito, itong good news na darating sa inyo. Meron itong kaliwat kanan. When it comes to your finances, you'll be receiving, parang meron itong magdodoble ang kikitain mo. Okay? So, our final here, numbers for our angel number, paki-research na lang or Google na lang. 7, we have here number 7, 3, and 0. Okay? So, paki-Google na lang guys, itong 7, 3, and 0. Or, maybe it's gonna happen 7 days. So, confirm 3 days, you'll be getting a shift or something about financial abundance. And I'm also getting like a message. You'll be getting a message, a good news. Yeah, I'm also getting like a marites. May magmamarites sa'yo within 3 days. O may mag-message sa'yo tungkol sa kapwa. Okay? Something about like marites. Kayo nang bahala guys. Iba-iba yung natin, buhay natin, itong mga pangyayari. So, kayo na pong bahala ang umitindi. So, again, maraming salamat guys. At sana nag-enjoy kayo sa reading na ito. And again, this is timeless. Whenever you watch this is meant for you na mapanood ito. I love you guys and you guys take care. Love